Florida is the sinkhole capital of the world with over 19,000 confirmed sinkhole sites across the state. Whether caused by sinkhole activity or natural settlement, structures in Florida tend to experience foundation damage due to ground subsidence or sinking.
Many of our clients are the typical homeowner who notice damage to their home, such as cracking in walls, sloping in floors, and depressions in the yard. It is our job to investigate and identify the cause of this damage and recommend a way to protect the home from future damage. The G3 group performs a full geotechnical investigation, and after the field data is collected, a foundation stabilization plan is drafted and signed by our professional engineer and submitted to the foundation repair contractor to start the repair process. A foundation repair plan typically consists of the installation of underpinning piles, polyurethane chemical grout foam injection, and/or the injection of compaction grout beneath the structure to stabilize the foundation.
What if my home is not supported by a conventional concrete slab and I have a crawl space beneath my home?
In these cases, we have the ability to send a reconnaissance robot into the crawl space and map the subflooring system, take floor elevation data, and identify the supporting piers that are causing damage inside the home. Many homes with elevated floor systems experience uneven floors, sloping, and cracking inside due to failing piers underneath the home. After identifying the problem area, we develop a foundation repair plan, connect the client with a reliable and trusted repair contractor, and oversee the repair process. We also provide our homeowners with full HD video footage of their crawl space inspection, as well as provide a comprehensive report of our findings and our foundation repair plan.
The G3 Group is a minority, woman-owned business with an A+ rating with Better Business Bureau and has served the citizens of Florida for over 20 years. Financing is available for all services.